In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture in a Canva template. Let's get started right from the Canva homepage. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, choose the design or template you want to work with. This might be something like a social media post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or any other template from Canva's library. You can either open an existing design you've already created or click on a new template from the homepage to start fresh. When your template opens, you'll see the main canvas in the center and your editing tools on the left-hand side. To insert your own picture, look at the left sidebar and click on the Uploads tab. This is where you can bring in images from your computer or device. Click the button that says something like Upload Files. Then browse your computer and select the image or images you want to use. Give Canva a moment to finish uploading. You'll see a thumbnail of each image appear under the Upload section. Now that your picture is uploaded, you have two main ways to add it to the template. The first way is to simply drag and drop the image onto the canvas. Click on your uploaded photo, hold down your mouse, and drag it onto the design. Release the mouse button, and the picture will appear on top of the template. From here, you can click and drag the corners of the image to resize it, and click and drag from the middle to move it around until it fits where you want it. The second way is especially useful if your template already has image placeholders, sometimes called frames. These are areas that are meant to hold photos. To use one of these, just drag your uploaded image over the placeholder until you see it highlight. Then let go. The picture will automatically snap into the frame and crop to fit that shape. If you want to adjust the crop, double-click on the photo inside the frame, then drag it around to reposition it or use the corners to scale it. Once your picture is in place, you can fine-tune it using the toolbar at the top. You can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and apply filters to match the overall style of your design. Take a moment to make sure your image looks sharp, is aligned properly with other elements, and doesn't get cut off in important areas. When you're happy with how everything looks, remember to save or download your design so you can share or print it later.